Hello everyone! Today we're taking to you on our journey to discover how globalization influenced our community.
But first, what is globalization? Globalization is the process where countries become more connected through trade, technology, communication, and culture. It allows people around the world to exchange ideas, products, and services.
As a food technology student, we can see globalization in our everyday lives. From imported food products and international fast food chains to modern food processing and online food services.
Globalization has changed the way we eat, shop, communicate, and even study. Many products and ideas from different countries are now part of our daily lives.
We'll also be interviewing members of our community to hear their thoughts and experiences about globalization and its impact on their everyday lives.
In this vlog, we'll explore real-life examples of globalization in our community and learn how they affect people around us.
Join us as we discover how globalization shapes our community. Sit back, relax, and let's begin!
So guys, ang i-interviewin ko pala ay si Jasmine Barnechea at ang una kong tanong is, gumagamit ka ba ng social media araw-araw at bakit?
Yes. Every day I use a social media para din magamit ko rin sa mga communicate with my friends, classmates, and my families.
So, ang pangalawa kong tanong is, ano yung product or brand na palagi mong ginagamit or binibili?
Siguro I often buy products is the Coca-Cola or Coke. So, pwede rin siya mabili sa mga store para mapadali kang makainom ng Coke, ganun.
Kapag nauuhaw.
Pag nauuhaw ka.
So, yun lang.
Hello guys, ang interview po natin ngayon ay si Angel. And number one question, what is globalization? Globalization is a process of connecting countries through trade, communication, and transportation. Number two question, how does globalization affect people? It helps people to easily communicate far away.
Hi guys, siya yung interview ko, yung kapatid ko. So ito yung question. Paano naka-apekto ang globalisasyon sa social media sa iyo?
Mabilis na kumakalat ang mga bagong ideas or new trends at information sa social media. Nakakatulong din ito sa communication at entertainment. Pero maaaring magdulot ito ng misinformation na makikisabay sa trends.
So, paano binago ng online shopping ang pamimili mo?
Mas naging mabilis at convenient ang pamimili dahil maaaring bumili ng produkto gamit ang cellphone o computer. Mas marami ring pagpipilian at madaling ikumpara ang presyo ng mga produkto.
So, yun lang guys.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Gab Perez for an interview about globalization. How do social media affects the society?
Social media affects our society by connecting people around the world. It supports globalization by spreading ideas, cultures, information, and trends across different countries.
Today, ang i-interviewin natin ay si Angeline Ilarde about globalization. So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, how does globalization affect your everyday life?
Nakakatulong ang globalization sa pang-araw-araw ko dahil mas napapadali nito ang paggamit ko ng social media at technology.
Paano nabago ng online shopping platform ang pagbili mo ng pangangailangan mo sa araw-araw kumpara noon na pumupunta ka pa sa mga mall or palengke?
Dahil sa online shopping, mas madalang na akong lumabas ngayon kumpara noon. Dahil halos lahat, mapa skincare, damit, or kagamitan man sa bahay, sino-order ko na sa online shopping. Mas nakakatipid ako ng oras, pamasahe, Kasi mas in-order ko na to sa pamamagitan ng sa pagpapahinga ko or madaling araw o pagkatapos man ng trabaho.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Margarita Ibaraya, BSFTTV. Could I interview you about globalization, and could you introduce yourself first?
My name is Kevin Ibasa from the Northeast Rosario, La Union.
For you, what is globalization?
Globalization, ito yung connection globally na pinagpapasa-pasa ng mga products pag-import sa ibang bansa.
How did globalization affect your daily life?
Malaking epekto ito sa mga estudyante tulad ko dahil natutulungan niya ako sa school works ko, tulad na lamang ng pag-research hindi ko na kailangan na pumunta sa library kasi meron naman ng social media na nagagamit tulad ng Google, AI.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Kevin Ibasa.
Magandang hapon po. Siya po ang aking i-interviewin. Siya po ang aking cousin. Ang pangalan niya ay si Alfred Ramos. Ano yung mostly na nilalaro mo pag nag-boring ka?
Mobile Legends.
Ano yung benefits ng paglalaro mo sa Mobile Legends?
Doon meron akong nakakalaro ng ibang tao. At nilalaro ko yun kung nag-boring ako.
Nakikipag-usap.
At nakikipag-usap din ako doon.
And that brings us to the end of our journey in discovering globalization in our community.
Through our discussion and interviews, we learned that globalization is already a part of our everyday lives.
From the food we eat and the products we use, we can see how globalization influences our daily choices.
Technology and social media also help us connect and communicate with people from different parts of the world.
Globalization gives us access to new products, ideas, technologies, and opportunities.
But at the same time, we should continue to appreciate and support our local products, culture, and traditions.
As a food technology student, understanding globalization helps us become more aware of its effect on food and our community.
Thank you for watching our vlog. We hope you learned something new about globalization and its impact on our community. Don't forget to like, share, and support our vlog. See you next time!